Hello friends, let's go on a journey of worlds of aroma. Aroma, or the smell of food, is an important part of our eating experience. There are numerous types of aromas that can be experienced when it comes to food and beverages. Here are some common categories of aromas. These categories provide a general overview of different aroma profiles, but there are countless variations and combinations that contribute to the complex and diverse world of food aromas. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like our content, please like, share and subscribe our channel Prime Cook. Thank you.